a small tree. Here's Daddy Nick with the rope. There's Tim.
Oh yeah,
Uncle D.
Hey, what's up?
We're here at the annual tree loggers event, but we're gonna try to lift this tree.
Pull it, boy. Pull it. Come on.
Watch out!
No, nothing's gonna do it. Nothing.
Oh my gosh! Whoa.
Wait, I'm gonna do some pieces. Look at, do some pieces like maybe 4 feet, right?
Yeah.
We can cut those in half. You can make benches. You can make tables.
4 feet hunks?
Yeah.
How are we gonna move them?
Oh, we can roll it.
That's too big. Just chop them.
No, because you can just oak, dude.
It's oak?
Yeah. You can make.
Girl, there's no way to lift huge oak pieces. Deconstruction. Get your trees turned into benches.